So in the last video I have ended here. We have successfully get the ID of the last registered user. So if we are getting the ID of last registered user successfully, then our registration is not over here. We have to create some directory in our server for the user. So for this is the directory where I'm storing my index file, and here I'm creating a new folder. Let me call it user, so to keep the user files, profile pictures, and many more things. This is a user directory and it is blank now. So we have to create username. Okay, the username, it is recording or not? Yeah, username dollar, not dollar, just get, I'm using a function end. Okay, so end requires an array, or not end, sorry, not end, explode. This is another function, and explode has two parameters, you can say. One of them is called delimiter and another is called string. So delimiter is just the breaking point, so my breaking point is @ and my string is $email. So now you can understand, if my email address is, suppose, rizwankhan.august16, let's say rizwan@gmail.com. so this is my email address, and @ is a breaking point. So this username will becomes an array which has two elements. One is Rizwan and another one is gmail.com. Fine. Now $username, then bracket. So first I'm accessing the first one, $user directory, okay, fine. And now we have to check if not file underscore exist. So you can see here it's a predefined function of PHP for the creation, to check is there any file whose name is user directory, whose name is like this. So if there is a file whose name is like this, so it will simply, this if code will not execute. So I'm just going to remove, and here needs a path $. So I have created user directory, and inside this I have to check $user directory dot dollar what is ID, so $ID. okay, so if file is already exist of this user, if the file is already exist of this user, so no need to create the directory. But if file is not exist, so we need to make a directory, and path name, this is user, and $user directory dot $ID to make unique directory for each and every user. That's why I'm putting ID and concatenating ID with the user directory. And one code requires 0755. This is the actually I don't know why it requires, but it requires. You can see in the PHP manuals and read about it. Make directory, okay, not directory created. So let me, and if the directory is created successfully, so we will we will make a function. So okay, we already have for send activation code like this one. Here I will just you can see here. Okay, it is important. This is the email format of HTML. Let me show you what it has actually. This is a to where we will send email. This is a subject activation link from webscript.info. This is my website name. From who is sending this, whatever what you want you can put here, not necessary your valid email address. It's not valid email address, mine, this is not valid. Okay, to send HTML mail, the content type header must be set. So to send email in a HTML format, so we have to set some header values, like you can see here MIME version. And if you want this code, you can comment in the comment section and I will provide you. This is the content type HTML. It is just simple. Headers, so here header is over, and this is the main thing, message, HTML, body, everything is common. Just here I'm saying hi $email, and here is a paragraph. Please click on given link to activate your account. And here is the link. Click here, you can see here anchor tag A. This is the message. Href, this is the website, my website, webscript.info, www.webscript.info. If you'll click on the link, then you'll go into the webscript.info, and there is a page called activation underscore code.php, and there is some URL variable, activation code, and UID, user ID, for which user we are going to activate. Okay, fine. And this is the mail function of PHP. Require 4 arguments: $2, $subject, $message, $headers. If this mail is executed successfully, we will return true, else we will return false. So here we need one more thing, which is $UID, user ID. Okay, after creating the directory of user, we will send this $object, send activation code, and we will need email, activation code, and UID. This is the user's email, activation code we already generated, and now ID. Okay, don't put in this here. Cut from here, remove the condition. So this function returns true. We will echo, or you may echo like something, and you can echo. Okay, you can echo here email underscore send success. You can echo like this, and after that you can exit from the script. You can see closely, it is very large. Trust me, this is very simple. Okay, fine, save. And now we are going to execute code. Okay, let's try again. Test @gmail.com, send a mail, country India, English, Urdu, password, change. So you can see here email send success means from localhost it is quite difficult to send an email to the SMTP server, and you can see here my internet connection is also not available. So just okay, and if you'll come here and just see, you can see here the username is test, email address, gender, language selection is done, password is done, activation code, timing, everything is perfect. And when you will go in the directory, as I told you, I have created user directory. When you will go inside this, you can see here test3. This is the unique name of user, which is not going to be same for all. Let me create another one. Salman Khan and Salman@cmail.com. Gender male and country India, language English, password okay, register. Email sent success. You can see here. Okay, here Salman Khan is registered, and if you'll go in the directory, so you can see user directory, and here's the unique name Salman4, and all these users names are going to be different. And what you'll need to do, if email sent success, we will receive. You may go from no, you can't go from here. So you just come here main.js, and if data equals to, just copy this and paste it here, email sent success, and type window.location.href equals to verify_email.php. okay, this is a page where we will send after the successfully registration of the user. So we need to create this page and php save verify_email.php, save it, and just echo user verification. You can message him here, please go to your email inbox and click on the activation link, and you can also write here the name of the particular user. We will do in the next video after this. So just we need to work a lot related to registration. This is not enough. Okay, let's try Katrina Caff, email Katrina Caff @yahoo.com, gender female, and country India, English, password register. So email sent success, reload. Okay, Katrina is registered successfully. Just okay, something wrong. I know what is the problem, and you can see here there is a different name, Katrina Caff 5. So user directory is created to keep the user profile, photos, and whatever you want you can keep on the directory. Everything is same, nothing is changed. Last time I was just forget to save this page, that's why we are not redirecting to verify email page. So you can see when I write like Shah Rukh Khan and email srk@gmail.com, .com, gender, country, language, and password. Register. You can see email send success. Press OK. We are in the verify email page. Please go to email inbox and click on the activation link to activate your account.